Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and removing the battery, because live circuits make repairs harder and risk damage. Once done, clear a workspace and keep a small container for 5 screws and the battery cover. Use a Torx T8 to remove the hidden screw under the sticker, then release the plastic clips with a pry tool. Work gently to avoid snapping tabs. This lets you separate the back shell from the front, which is the first real step towards swapping the button hardware. Once the shell is open, disconnect the battery contacts and carefully peel back any ribbon cable so nothing rips. You will see the rubber membrane and the plastic A, B, X, Y caps. Note how each spring or stem sits in its notch because correct orientation matters for tactile response. Remove caps and springs, swap in replacement caps or clean the contact pads with isopropyl alcohol, and then reseat the membrane so it lies flat. This ensures consistent presses and avoids sticky or double inputs. To finish, align the front and back shells, reconnect the ribbon and battery contact, and press the edges until all clips snap in. Replace the Torx screw and battery, then power on and test each button in the Xbox Accessories app or a game. This verifies mappings and responsiveness. If a button is unresponsive or double pressing, open it again to check spring seating and membrane cleanliness. Make sure no debris or misaligned tabs are causing the fault before considering replacement parts.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.